Hi, everyone. Welcome back to the English Podcast, where learning English is fun, simple, and full of roars. I'm Leo, your host, the only lion who drinks coffee instead of hunting breakfast. Today, we have a cool topic. Literally, we're talking about the weather in English, how to describe it, how to talk about it, and how not to freeze while doing it. But hey, I'm not alone today. I have a special guest, someone who actually enjoys winter more than sunshine. Let's welcome Emma.
Hi, Leo. Hi, everyone. I'm Emma, and yes, I love winter. The cold air, the warm sweaters, the smell of hot chocolate, it's pure happiness.
Wow, Emma, you sound like a walking Christmas movie. When I see winter, I just want to stay under a blanket and sleep for 3 months.
That's what lions do best, right? Hibernate with style.
Exactly. But humans are different. You all wear 10 layers of clothes, drink something hot, and still say, "I'm freezing!"
True, but we love the vibe. Winter makes people slow down, relax, and enjoy the small things, like watching snowfall or listening to rain.
All right, learners, let's do this. Today, we're going to learn some English words about the weather. Let's start simple. Sunny, when the sun is bright. Cloudy, when the sky is full of clouds. Windy, when your hair becomes a kite. Rainy, when the sky cries. Snowy, when you forget what your car looks like.
Haha, and don't forget, chilly means a little cold. Freezing means very cold, like when you touch an ice cream cone with your bare hands.
Good one. And here's a grammar tip, friends. When we talk about weather, we often say it's. Like, it's cold. It's windy. It's a beautiful day.
Exactly. And when you talk about what you like, you can say, I like to stay inside when it rains. I enjoy drinking coffee when it's cold.
Or, I enjoy sleeping when it's cold. That's my personal favorite.
Of course, Leo. You'd sleep through the whole winter if you could.
That's what we call winter motivation.
You know what, Leo? Weather is actually one of the most common topics in English conversation. People love starting small talk with, "How's the weather?"
That's true. It's like a magic phrase that makes everyone talk. You can say, "It's sunny today," and suddenly your neighbor tells you their whole life story.
So for our listeners, next time you meet someone, try starting your chat with a weather sentence. For example, "It's such a lovely day, isn't it?" Or, "It's been raining all week."
Perfect. It's easy, natural, and polite. And guess what? You're already speaking English like a pro. All right, everyone, that's it for today's chilly but cheerful episode. We learned how to talk about the weather, use simple grammar, and have fun with English.
Don't forget to practice these phrases and maybe enjoy a hot drink while you do.
And remember, whether it's sunny, cloudy, or snowy, keep learning and keep smiling. If you enjoyed this episode, give it a thumbs up, share it with your friends, and subscribe to the English Podcast for more fun English conversations every week. See you next time.